bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy figure. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, they don't add to the picture. Drop a couple rights, watch his ass get big stir. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sister. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, make that fake ass go. I'm the realest bitch ever see, snake ass hoes. Act up, you think you smashed up. Act up, you think you smashed up. Act up, you think you smashed up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up.
Phineas and Ferb are making a title sequence.
It's on? Yeah. Hey y'all, so PT2, you know, early morning. Oh, they you don't realize what the fuck is me. I have to try to get my legs lifted right now, but she don't get me right regardless. Y'all, I was like, shit, the science killing this shit. What the fuck? It's gonna be cute though.
Yeah, when it drops. Let me see it.
So I had to straighten my hair because that shit look crazy. But now it needs oil because it's kind of like poofy. It ain't sleek yet. Then I gotta put mousse at the top, you know, flatten it, do my edges.
Y'all, we finna slide. Ooh, I can't wait to get out of these cars. Y'all, Andretti. Oh yeah. Look, y'all, Andretti indoor games. She got a big old booty. Green shirt. She ain't about to get us in a motherfucking fight because she's still in parking. They right behind us. They can't be mad. You found a parking. That's all that counts. It's not like it's Sawgrass. Sawgrass? Sawgrass? Oh yeah.
Hopped up the car and started banging on the car.
I was hoping. If somebody was young, if it was somebody young, we would have had a fight today.
Mama was going to bang on the door. Get the fuck out of this shit.
You saw me here? We in Orlando. We're in Orlando. They call it cops for self-checkout. No. Yeah, so they're white. They're not gonna do shit. We couldn't live here. I don't want to live here. I don't think I would like to live here. Guys, we're in Andretti. I'm so excited. It's big. That's the first thing I want to do. Oh my God, virtual roller coasters. Oh, we probably got to sign up.
No, that's the waitress. We have to register.
Oh
my goodness. Oh, we all 18. We all 18.
It's touchscreen? My birthday is the 26th. Wait. So, we ended up just getting the adult track. What? Oh, Andretti.
I just sent it to you.
Okay, I got it. You think you'll come in first place?
I'm not going in first place.
Oh, I like the confidence. You think you'll come in first place?
Not.
I said, I know I like the confidence.
First place?
You think first place?
Not the first time.
Not first time?
Yeah.
You think you coming in first place? Oh! You think you coming in first place?
I'm going to come first place.
You think you coming in first place?
Definitely.
You know how I vibe. Listen. No. Why y'all got no faith in me? So we got the car. Swipe them cards like a Visa, period. She said swipe it 3 times.
I don't think so.
Like
But just hate to give me credit, but I'll take that debit.
But I'll take the debit. Shut off me. Oh, that's easy. Oh. Well, for you, I don't know.
That's what we do.
Down? Oh, y'all. I'm trying to zoom on them. Marie? Huh? 10. That shit was so fucking fun.
Race car shit.
Race car? I came in 7th place. 7th place. That wasn't that bad. Fourth.
Them two niggas ain't bumped me out the way.
I know. Haley, what time were you? Was 5th? What was Ashanti? Oh, Ashanti last.
Stacie was third to last.
Okay. But I was second. Haley was first. No. Ropes course, I'm proud of you, Ashanti, for doing that, for real. He right there. So yeah, we actually.
At Busch Gardens and we went on cheetah for the first time. I was like, oh my god, I'm scared. I'm gonna get off. Oh my god. I started crying before I even got on the fucking ride.
It's honestly, no, those rides really do be making me nauseous. But that shit, like that shit was scary. Not gonna flex, but. Oh yeah, it's like the shit. Once you start going too fast, it just has a mind of its own. That shit starts turning. Like there was a point where I had to lock my arms and hold that wheel. We were supposed to get back at the house by 7, and then we were supposed to get ready and be by Sugar Factory at 9 to meet my reservations at Sugar Factory. But we pull up to the cribbo and the door is locked, so we're not able to get in. So the owner of the house is gonna come and open the door for us. But I can't wait to just get ready because I want to get ready. Try to get cute, you know what I'm saying?
Eternity later.
I just want to have a special thanks to all my friends that made it happen. Thank you for all my girls that showed face tonight. Thank you, friends. I love my friends.